now this is the time when I really feel that emotionally and physically and mentally I should take a break. पहली बार जब इतना प्यार देखा तो नहीं कुछ समझ आ रहा था, पता भी नहीं था कैसे हैंडल करना है. But then I do not like to share my private life with anyone. For webs and films, I think daily soap के actors को ना वो लोग इतना prefer इसलिए नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि it is very hard to match the schedule according to them. मैंने एक दिन में 4-5 auditions दिए हैं. I've been rejected more than 1,000 times. Everybody around is so good looking, so talented. बहुत टाइम तक काम नहीं मिला. You see any show, there are actors, they're not conventionally good looking. In fact, in a lot of films also. So sometimes it's an advantage. I remember I went to Ranchi for my film shoot. I was there for a week and shoot did not start. I really want यार outsiders की films अगर चलेगी तभी बाकी outsiders को मौका मिलेगा. I had no backup plan. I had no plan B. I didn't know anything else. So मेरे लिए वो choice ही नहीं थी कि long working hours are everywhere. Even in films, it is like that. Unless you are Akshay Kumar, I will work for 8 hours, bro. I started with Udaria. After that, I went to directly to Big Boss, directly to Junior, and then Mati Se Bandi Do. So now it is very important for me to take a break.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and I think all the fans will jump with joy today because I have Ankit Gupta with me finally. Ankit, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ankit, tell me honestly, after how much time are you interacting with media now?
With you, especially with you, I think it's been
a year.
Yeah, around launch of Mati Se Bandi Do we spoke. And after that now.
But you know, how's the space right now? Abhi show khatam hua. Are you chilling or you're like finding projects immediately? How's it been?
Show खत्म हुआ. शुरू में 4-5 दिन तो actually सब कुछ समझने में चले गए because I was so busy. I used to wake up at 6 in the morning and then रात तक shooting, workout ये सब होता था. 11 बजे सो जाओ, कुछ पता ही नहीं होता था. The moment I got this break, for at least 5 days, I could not understand anything. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know anything. And I think maybe that's the reason now I decided I would need at least a couple of months just for myself. And I should travel. I should not take up any work. I just, be with myself and recharge myself.
Agree.
And then start working again.
But does this also happen because you have been working constantly?
Of course, 2021, I started with Udaria. After that, I went to directly to Big Boss, directly to Junior, and then Mati Se Bandi Do. So now, it is very important for me to take a break.
I know. But Ankit, you rightly said that I need to recharge, right? What do you think, in this profession we are? अपने साथ ना time बहुत कम मिलता है spend करने को और that peaceful moments, right? At this stage, do you understand the importance of that thing?
Of course. मेरे हिसाब से तो यार, I mean the kind of person I am, I would probably work for a year and then take a break for 2-3 months and then work for a year and then take a break for 2-3 months. But unfortunately, this does not happen in our industry. So जैसे काम मिलता रहा मैं करता रहा. So now I finally decided this is the time because I've been doing this for last 4 years. So कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा भी लगने लगा है that my acting is getting monotonous. The same kind of dialogues I've been saying, the same kind of emotions I'm showing. There's nothing new. So for that, break is much needed.
But Ankit, you are only mentioning 4 years, but I remember you talking about your journey that started back in 2012, right? Initially, how was that phase? And Ankit also, नए होते हो industry में, क्या expectations लेके आए थे?
So when I was growing up, everybody told me, oh, you're so good looking, oh, you should be an actor, oh, you should become a hero, you should become an actor. So when I came to Bombay, I was like fully charged and pumped up. Oh, मैं तो आते ही छा जाऊँगा. But when I came here and I saw everybody around is so good looking, so talented, फिर बहुत टाइम तक काम नहीं मिला. बालिका वधू हुआ मेरा. बालिका वधू के बाद क्योंकि बालिका वधू करते हुए समझ आ गया था कि एक्टिंग नहीं आती है तो फिर उसके बाद लगा यार एक्टिंग प्रॉब्ली इज़ नॉट माई थिंग एंड देन आई स्टॉप्ड acting. I started doing ads and I was working simultaneously, and then Sadahak just happened to me. It was just I think it was for me, that's why it happened. It just happened, and after that everything changed. And then there was a break from 2018 to 20. It was a long break, and that was the time, you know, प्रॉब्ली हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अभी वक्त नहीं है, अभी वक्त सही नहीं है, या अभी चीज़ें मिलने का टाइम नहीं है. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज दैट टाइम, बिकॉज 2018 I finished my show on Star Bharat, and during that time, during those 2 years, I signed 4 shows, 1 film, 2 web shows, but nothing took off. I remember I went to Ranchi for my film shoot. I was there for a week and shoot did not start. And finally when my production guy came and he said, "भाई आपसे बात करनी है," it was the moment I was like, कुछ तो हुआ है. So he said, भाई अभी ना प्रोड्यूसर भाग गया है, इन्वेस्टर भाग गया है, तो हमें पिक्चर रोकनी पड़ेगी. That time I understood कि जो आ रहा है, जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, वो कर लेना चाहिए. एंड मे बी फ्रॉम 21 to till now, with that mindset, I had been working. I did not take a break. But now this is the time when I really feel that emotionally and physically and mentally I should take a break.
Exactly. But you know, when you did Illegal also, you know, your season 1 your stint was remembered because of the kind of character you had, and no one could imagine Ankit Gupta playing that character. Why didn't you grab more web shows back after that, if I ask?
Because मेरा mindset हमेशा ये रहा है that I should keep on working. I never thought of just, you know, take a break and wait for something else and not do TV for some time. मेरा mindset ये कभी रहा नहीं है. तो इसीलिए, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपन्स फॉर वेब्स एंड फिल्म्स, आई थिंक डेली सोप के एक्टर्स को ना वो लोग इतना प्रेफर इसलिए नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू मैच द शेड्यूल अकॉर्डिंग टू देम. Because I remember when I was doing Illegal ka season 2 and I was shooting for Udaria, it was very difficult for them, for me and for the Udaria production also to manage the dates.
Okay.
And we had to Illegal, luckily everybody was so good around that time. Everybody managed, जितना जिससे हो सका everybody managed, and Illegal का मेरा पूरा काम we finished in 5 days. And वो हो गया. So maybe that is the reason कि टीवी के लोगों को स्पेशली वेब एंड फिल्म्स में ज़्यादा प्रेफर नहीं करते बिकॉज उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता.
But don't you think that's an unfortunate part?
Yeah, but see, it is very clear na, even if I'm producer and I would want somebody who should be available for me all the time. If I'm signing you for a project, I do not want that burden on my head कि यार इसकी भी डेट्स मैनेज करनी है, बाकी और आर्टिस्ट हैं उनकी डेट्स मैनेज करनी है, फिर डायरेक्टर्स की डेट मैनेज करनी है, फिर सबकी डेट मैनेज करके सबको एक साथ लेके आना है, फिर हम शूटिंग करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद कब रिलीज़ होगा. आई वुड नॉट वांट दैट. आई वुड प्रॉब्ली से कि अच्छा ये तो बिजी है, चलो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि यार ये टॉम हैंक्स है कि इसके लिए मैं सब कुछ चेंज कर दूंगा. या तो यू बिकम दैट ग्रेट, देन थिंग्स विल हैपन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. Else, if I'm a producer, I will say, ठीक है ये available नहीं है, कोई और ले आओ.
But even, you know, Ankit, when that movie didn't work out or materialize, I would say, was that somewhere around the known cast, or was it like you as a lead and other things materialized?
Those all were new people. I was the lead. Heroine was the new actor. This happens, yeah. You know, the market is such. That time also and today also. Yesterday only I was sitting with my friend and we were talking about that, and we were searching last 1.5 साल में क्या क्या रिलीज हुआ है OTT एंड फिल्म्स में, और क्या क्या चला है, एंड हाउ मेनी शोज डू वी एक्चुअली नो ऑफ. एंड देन वी रियलाइज्ड ओनली शोज दैट रिलीज्ड ऑन Netflix and Amazon, because they market them so well. We know those shows. There had been great shows on Sony Live and Z5 and all of that, but we don't know because those shows have not been marketed well.
Yeah.
So बहुत पता ही नहीं चलते हैं.
Exactly. But you know, growing up, what kind of content have you consumed, I would say, and have you been that movie buff or a TV buff?
No, I love watching movies. I love watching movies, web shows. I am such a big movie buff. I can watch 4-5 movies in a day.
And who has been that actor you have admired always? Ki, okay, iski journey se I am inspired.
I love Tom Hanks. I love Tom Hardy. These two people, like, I just love them.
Basically, you are a Hollywood person.
Ha, mostly.
But you know, Ankit, having experience, ठीक है, आपने एक मूवी का स्पेस एक्सपीरियंस I would say किया, वेब शोज किया, but when it comes to TV now, right? How is the working environment now and has it changed over the years? जितना भी आपने देखा है.
See, हमारा, I don't know why is it, I don't understand, but our television has become very regressive.
Yeah.
Because maybe the reason is जितने भी अच्छे और intelligent shows होते हैं, they don't work so well.
Yeah.
And probably the audience does not want to watch it. Maybe the mindset is कि अगर smart या intelligent कुछ देखना है तो we'll watch OTT ना.
Yeah.
We'll watch films. Why do we watch television?
True.
Or maybe our audience is some, you know, people who don't actually watch television, who listens to whatever is, you know, चला दिया, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं. Maybe that's the audience. And smart और जो intelligent shows होते हैं वो सुन के समझ नहीं आएंगे. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. पर television पिछले 20-25 सालों में it has become so regressive. If I tell you, I mean, when I was growing up, the kind of shows that I've seen, they were not nowhere less than films.
Yeah.
गालिब मिर्जा,
Yeah.
बरगद का पेड़, शांति, हम पाँच,
yeah. शरारत,
remakes, Malgudi Days.
Yeah.
These were the shows
Even
that.
Sadahak, the teen drama it was that time.
Yeah. After remakes, I think that was the show.
Yeah.
जो teens के बीच में इतना popular हुआ.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम तो बहुत अच्छे शोज बनते थे. एंड प्रॉब्ली वही देख देख के हम लोगों को लगा कि एक्टर्स बनते हैं.
Exactly.
तो या अभी पता नहीं what we actually that's the problem. Nobody exactly knows क्या फॉर्मूला है, किससे चीज़ें चलेंगी, किससे नहीं चलेंगी. There have been shows जो 4-5 साल चल जाते हैं with the same storyline. There have been shows जो अच्छे बनते हैं. ऑडियंस, मतलब आप लोगों से पूछोगे ना दिल से कि यार ये बहुत अच्छा शो है, पर वो 2 महीने में बंद हो जाता है.
Yeah. It happens. But you know, Ankit, when it comes to you, what are the tick boxes? Like, okay, you look forward for in a project if these are your checklist, and you reject the project because these are your checklist.
To be honestly tell you, first checkbook is the money.
I
Money, take. Because what happens here, you know, no matter how much you enjoy television, but after वो 3-4 महीने के बाद ना, it's the same story everywhere. If you see 10 shows,
yeah.
You will see there are only 2 stories जो वो 10 शो में चल रही है. वो 4 महीने के बाद वो सेम स्टोरी हर शो में चलती है. तो if for television actors, I think money is the biggest component, is the biggest factor.
But you know, मनी मिलने में डिले भी होती है, जो हम सुनते हैं ना कि ओके पेमेंट्स अटक जाती है, 3 months यू आर लाइक विदाउट मनी वर्किंग.
या बट 3 महीने के बाद आ जाती है ना.
बट कई प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस होते देते भी नहीं है.
So you have to be smart to choose the production house. I think it's for television, it's money, then production house,
yeah.
and then comes the story and character.
Yeah. But you know, are you okay with these long working hours that happens when it comes to telecast part?
See, it is even if I do a film, I did a film also.
Yeah.
जिसका कुछ पता नहीं है कब आएगी कब नहीं आएगी. Big star cast and I don't know. So that was it. I was telling you कि आजकल पता नहीं होता कौन कब कहाँ आ रहा है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें अटक जाती है.
Yeah.
My best friend, he took such a long break from television and he did couple of great shows OTT 2 साल से. अभी तक पूरे नहीं हुए हैं, अभी तक रिलीज़ नहीं. कब पूरे होंगे, कब रिलीज़ होंगे. मेरी फिल्म ख़त्म हुए कितने महीने हो गए हैं, वो कब पूरी होगी, कब उसका रिलीज़ आएगा, कब होगा, nobody knows. So वेब और फिल्म्स में बहुत ज़्यादा वेटिंग पीरियड है.
Exactly.
So long working hours are everywhere. Even in films, it is like that.
Yeah.
Unless you are Akshay Kumar, I will work for 8 hours, bro.
You know, you rightly said, Ankit, कि है ना अपने को बस स्मार्ट होना पड़ता है when you are working with any production house, any space you are working it, right? When you entered the industry, आप थे उतने स्मार्ट और time made you smart कि no.
ये टाइम ही सब कुछ आपको सिखाता है. आप कुछ भी नहीं सीखे ना. ये स्मार्ट छोड़ो, एक्टिंग भी नहीं पता थी, तो टाइम के साथ जैसे जैसे एक्टिंग सीखी वैसे वैसे इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, वो भी सीखा. तो इट ऑल कम्स विद एन एक्सपीरियंस.
But is this industry friendly?
Of course, I mean, मेरे साथ तो हमेशा टच वुड, एज यू सेड कि कुछ प्रोड्यूसर्स पैसे नहीं देते हैं. टच वुड, जिन भी प्रोड्यूसर्स के बारे में शायद आपने सुना होगा, एंड आई टेल एवरीबॉडी, मेरे पैसे आज तक किसी ने नहीं रोके हैं, और मुझे सामने से फ़ोन करके सबने पैसे दिए. ईदर आई बीन सो लकी, और आई डोंट नो.
But Ankit, even you mentioned ना कि कैसे आपके 3 shows back to back, you found that they are in the similar space, right? Do you also feel कि after Udaria maybe you got a bit typecasted?
I don't think so.
But also, if I ask you, is stereotyping or
what is now after doing 3 back-to-back shows, I'm realizing this thing, that what is typecast in television. You see any show on television, it's that initially 4-5 months is that stereotypical hero जिसके आने से हवाएं चलती हैं, जिसके पैर रखने से धूल मिट्टी उड़ती है. Every show has that.
Yeah.
After 4-5 months, the moment hero heroine gets married, come to the house, it's the same drama.
Yeah, true.
तो यहाँ पे तो typecast story है, यहाँ पे कोई character typecast नहीं है. This is what I've realized. You start as a boxer, you start as a musician, or you start as a lover boy. After 4 months, you come to the house, you do the same thing.
But Ankit, initial days में what were the reasons given to you for rejections at maximum? एक दिन में कितने auditions दिए उस टाइम पे?
मैंने एक दिन में 4-5 auditions दिए हैं, और I know I've been rejected more than 1,000 times. Yeah, I mean, there had been times I've been rejected. मैं टेलीविजन के ऑडिशंस देता था, टीवी एड्स के ऑडिशन देता था, 3-4 मतलब 3 ऑडिशन तो मैं एवरी डे देता था. तो फिर देख लो, बहुत टाइम मैंने लगाया इसमें, तो बहुत रिजेक्शन हुआ है.
But that waiting period got on to you ever?
It does sometimes, not always, but problem with me was that I didn't want to do anything else. I had no backup plan. I had no plan B. I didn't know anything else. So मेरे लिए वो choice ही नहीं थी कि अभी यार बहुत हो गया, चलो वापस चलते हैं. In fact, my family, my mother, she asked me a lot of times, come back, do whatever you want to do here. But I always told her, मुझे और कुछ आता ही नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँगा.
But you know, where does your parents stay?
My parents are in Ghaziabad.
And now when they see you at this juncture, the kind of love you get, Ankit, you know, क्या validation family से मिलता है?
Validation family से मिलता तो है, पर sometimes क्या होता है, वो थोड़े से परेशान भी हो जाता है, क्योंकि अभी मैं उनको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पाता हूँ ना. थोड़ा जब काम में बिजी होते हैं, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कॉल माई मॉम एवरी डे, एंड मिले हुए भी बहुत टाइम हो जाता है. बट माई मदर, शी इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. शी फ्लॉन्स मी टू एवरीबडी. जहाँ भी जाती हैं, ये मेरा बेटा है, ये मेरा बेटा है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल टेल हर, अरे आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, ये आपका बेटा थोड़ी है. और फिर पूछते हैं, या पूछते हैं, ये आपका सगा बेटा है.
That I know. It can get on. But Ankit, you know, having been an introvert person, when initially वो एक limelight आती है, recognition आती है ना, there are fans coming and meeting you. I'm sure you must be getting DMs as well now. Did that limelight get on to you, or you were like confused, okay, how should I deal with it? या हो गया था आपसे easily?
तो initially तो of course पहली बार जब इतना प्यार देखा तो नहीं कुछ समझ आ रहा था, पता भी नहीं था कैसे हैंडल करना है. But then I stayed like how I am always, very private person. I do not like to share my private life with anyone. तो initially उस चीज़ के लिए लोग बोलते भी थे कि you don't share, you don't post on Instagram. Now they understand. But थोड़ा सा शुरू में हुआ था, फिर अभी सबको आदत पड़ गई है, मुझे भी आदत पड़ गई है.
But are you now that social media active, or you still prefer guarding your personal life?
I'm not a social media person. I've not posted anything since
From a while now, yeah.
3rd of Feb or 3rd of Jan. I don't know. More than a month I've not posted anything.
Yeah.
But one thing I've started doing, the kind of the movies or the shows I really like, I put them on my stories. Like the last story for I put one story for Super Boys of Malegaon.
Malegaon, yeah.
It was such a wonderful film, and all the outsiders are there.
Yeah.
Beautiful work they've done, beautiful direction, beautiful camera work. Everything was such a beautiful thing. The whole experience was so beautiful. I couldn't stop myself. I just made a story and put it, because I really want यार outsiders की films अगर चलेगी तभी बाकी outsiders को मौका मिलेगा. और producers and directors, they will be willing to take a chance on some other outsider.
Talent, yeah.
Yeah. अगर इतनी अच्छी फिल्म बट बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चली, at the end of the day for them it's numbers, it's not art.
Or the tractions.
Yeah. तो इतनी अच्छी मूवी अगर बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चलती है, then obviously me being a producer I will also say ना, जो अट्रैक्शन लेके आ सकते हैं उसको लोग मूवी में, एक्टिंग आती है नहीं आती है उससे हमें क्या.
True. But Ankit, also do you think कि जिस टाइम पे आपने बिग बॉस किया, you were just out of one show, you got that popularity, right? You could have done more shows पहले, like after the Udari, I am telling. Why did you choose Big Boss at that time specifically?
Because जब मैंने उडारियाँ ख़त्म किया, and I signed Jununian before Big Boss.
Okay.
But मेरा शो शुरू होने में 3-4 महीने थे.
Yeah.
That time मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन थे, either I do something else which is short term, या मैं ट्रैवल करूँ. But as I said, mindset था कि काम करते रहना है. Big Boss का ऑफर आया and Colors people were very keen on taking me on, so I did it. And now I realize maybe I could have waited for a couple of more years.
Yeah.
मैं थोड़ा सा mentally, physically prepare होके जा सकता था. Maybe that's the reason I'm not very much keen on doing Khatro also this year.
अच्छा, you have been offered.
Yes, I had a meeting with them yesterday, but this is the first time probably मेरे मन से नहीं आ रहा है कि मुझे करना चाहिए. That's what I was telling you, कि मुझे अभी 2-3 महीने चाहिए ब्रेक अपने लिए, खुद के लिए.
That's why I asked you ना, भी इतना काम कर लिया अंकित, now are you taking a break?
Yeah, I'm not mentally, physically, emotionally, I'm not ready for such a show.
Yeah.
And Khatro, like Big Boss, Khatro is one-time show.
Yeah.
So I would want to give my best. So I should just wait for another year.
But after Big Boss, Ankit, I've heard also a lot of actors say कि life ना पूरी तरह change हो जाती है. Internally भी there is a lot going on. Like sometimes anxiety creeps in, or you become this person कि ठीक है जो चल रहा है चलने दो, right? Did Big Boss change you as a person that way?
नहीं, मुझे अंदर बहुत चेंज करने की कोशिश की. मैं अंदर नहीं चेंज हुआ, बाहर आके तो मैं क्या ही चेंज होता फिर.
Yeah. Ankit, you rightly mentioned अभी भी कि कैसे there are days you are not emotionally charged up. आप अंदर से बहुत weak होते हो, upset होते हो, right? As an actor, when there is this constant scrutiny around your personal life, happy moments तो सब share कर लेते हैं, but there are times ना आप अपने low moments share नहीं कर पाते. Does it get onto you, or you are like this person कि no, you purposely carve those moments?
नहीं, अगर ऐसे मोमेंट्स आते हैं तो for me I think best thing that works for me is watching a good film.
Yeah.
और I think that's all I do. Watch good film and then I feel now life is good.
But when there are constant questions on social media or from media as well, how do you deal with that now?
I don't look at it.
Yeah.
I don't go on social media now. I don't look at my phone for hours. I just watch film. I be happy. If I like something, I just post a story. Oh, this is a good watch.
Yeah. But Ankit, also while working in television, I want to ask you, when I spoke to Avinash Mishra recently after Big Boss 18, he told me one thing, and I'm curious to know कि कभी-कभी ना अगर शो की TRP नहीं आ रही या शो इज नॉट गेटिंग द एक्सपेक्टेड ट्रैक्शन, देयर इज दिस मैकेनिज्म दैट गोज कि ठीक है एक्टर्स को लिंक अप कर दिया या शो में ना एक बात उड़ा दी कि ओके एक्टर्स आर नॉट गेटिंग अलोंग वेल. डू यू सी दैट फिनोमेना हैपनिंग? बिकॉज इवन उडारिया के टाइम काफ़ी खबरें आई थी.
No, I don't think that works for a show. Now what I've realized is that only a good story or good content which is relatable to people, that works. And like it works sometimes if you get a big name.
Yeah.
Works for some time, but if that particular actor is not relatable to audience in that particular character, that doesn't really work.
Yeah.
So good content, good story has to be there.
Yeah.
फिर अगर आपका कंटेंट अच्छा है, आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी है, आपको फिर ये लिंक अप या कुछ भी ऐसा वैसा कुछ उड़ाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
True. And you know, out of all the characters you have done, which one has been most resonating to you? Like, okay, I resonate with this character of mine.
I think I resonate with all of my characters because as I always say that whatever character I play, I have at least some percentage of myself in that character. So it helps me with the small nuances of acting.
Yeah.
You know, and those very small gestures or very small nuances, they make your character relatable to audience.
Yeah.
तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मेरा कुछ परसेंटेज मैं हर कैरेक्टर को थोड़ा थोड़ा दूँ.
But you know, how is Ankit Gupta in love as
In
a person?
love?
Yeah. Like real life में तो हमने देख लिया on screen, but real life में how is Ankit?
I'm a very easygoing person. I just be myself. I just let the other person be.
Yeah.
मेरा one thing I have realized, one thing I've learned in life is that, you know, nothing hurts more than your expectations.
Yeah.
Nothing in life. You know, Sadhguru says two things. There are only two things which make us different from animals is a vivid sense of memory and a very vivid sense of imagination.
Yeah.
And these are the only two things we are suffering. We are always suffering either our past or our future. We're not suffering the present.
Present. Yeah. But you know what has been the most unexpected thing that has happened to you?
Most unexpected thing?
Yeah.
I think Udaria only. Because I said no to Udaria so many times. And I was the first one to audition for Udaria. And then a year and a half later on, it came back to me. And things were not working out because it moved to Chandigarh and all the other stuff. So I said, no, I don't want to do. And then suddenly everything, fell in place.
Yeah. And then I think your chemistry, which was loved when you got those compliments, how was it that time? You know, I think show shuru and 3 mahine mein you guys were on the top.
Yeah, it was unexpected. None of us, like including Ravi and Sargun, none of us expected ये show इतना अच्छा कर जाएगा.
No.
We had zero expectation
from the show. You know, Ankit, if I ask success, what does it mean to you today? What does being successful mean?
Success means that you can do anything, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Then you're successful. Otherwise you're in just a rat race.
And you know, we have seen you abhi in TV shows, web, so dekha hai. But what are your other hobbies? Like, if not an actor, what would you be?
I don't know anything else. I never thought about it.
Really?
Yeah.
Then what was the time कि आप call center job take up कर रहे थे?
That was the time when I started. So I took up call center job because I wanted to save money for my portfolio. Because my family said, you want to pursue modeling and acting, you do whatever you want to do. We're not supporting you. So I took up call center job because I had no money. I wanted to save something for my portfolio, and I started it and got stuck up in it.
Yeah.
After 2.5 years of working, then I realized, what am I doing? I came here to just support my dream. Then I say, Then I started saving money. For the last 2.5 years, I did not save money also. I spent it all. So then I started saving money, got my portfolio done. And that time there was a site called ibibo.com.
Yeah.
So I uploaded my portfolio on that site. And every month उस पे कुछ ना कुछ competition run होता था. Like IBBO I hunk, IBBO male model, female model, something like that. So I won one of those competitions, IBBO I hunk. Then उसके through मुझे Elite, there was a modeling agency जब Elite India में नई आई थी. I got a contract with them. I got a free portfolio shoot with Subi Samuel. That's how I started.
And initially Ankit, हम ना मतलब I asked this to actresses, but I'm sure actors must also been fallen a prey of it. The first thing being कि actors पे भी एक looks का pressure होता है कि okay, you have to look charming, you need to have a certain type of body. वो एक pressure होता है.
ये TV में तो बहुत होता है. But I feel OTT में आजकल जैसे जिस तरह के shows हैं जो conventionally good looking लोग हैं ना, I don't think they're doing that well, especially in Indian content.
True.
You see any show, there are actors, they're not conventionally good looking. In fact, in a lot of films also.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's an advantage also, and sometimes it's a disadvantage.
Yeah. But even casting directors approach you that way.
If you fit in the character, then they do. If you don't, then no matter whatever you are, whoever you are, they will not entertain you.
अंकित एक वर्ड होता है ना कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके. एक्ट्रेसेस को तो या एक फीमेल जब ऑडिशन करने जाती है ना, दे एनकाउंटर सच आई वुड से इंसिडेंट्स अराउंड देम. डू मेल एक्टर्स आल्सो एनकाउंटर?
ऑफ कोर्स. आई मीन ये तो एक बहुत ही बेसिक सा टर्म बन गया है. बट टच वुड, I've not heard of this for a very long time. Initially, see, what I feel is जब आप एक नई इंडस्ट्री में जाते हो, and it's not just the entertainment industry, even in corporate, आप एक नई इंडस्ट्री में जाते हो, आप नए हो, आप किसी को नहीं जानते हो, आप वहाँ के वर्क कल्चर को नहीं जानते हो. तो कुछ लोग हर जगह होते हैं जो उस चीज़ का एडवांटेज लेना चाहते हैं. बी इट एंटरटेनमेंट, बी इट मीडिया, बी इट कॉर्पोरेट, बी इट एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. ये ऐसे लोग हर जगह होते हैं. इट इज़ अप टू यू हाउ स्मार्ट यू आर, हाउ स्मार्टली यू कैन हैंडल द सिचुएशन, एंड what you are willing to do for your dreams.
अंकित, हम ये भी सुनते हैं ना बॉलीवुड में व्हेन वी स्टेप देयर कि ओके इंडस्ट्री में एक सर्टन तरीके का पॉलिटिक्स है. डू यू फील टीवी में भी एक सर्टन तरीके का पॉलिटिक्स है, स्पेसिफिकली आफ्टर बिग बॉस?
पॉलिटिक्स एज सच आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कुछ है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा कभी देखने को नहीं मिला. क्योंकि जितने भी लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लोग मिले हैं. मे बी मैं उस डिपार्टमेंट में बहुत लकी रहा हूँ. मुझे ऐसा कुछ कभी मिला नहीं है. मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ, अपना काम करता हूँ, चुपचाप आ जाता हूँ, और शायद लोगों को लगता भी ये होगा कि ये थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्ट है, चुपचाप रहता है, अपने काम से काम रखता है, किसी से फालतू बातें नहीं करता. तो कोई मुझे उन चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व भी नहीं करता.
व्हेन यू आर इंट्रोवर्ट ना, लोगों को ये भी लग के आता है कि ओके ये बंदा ना थोड़ा रूड है, एरोगेंट है. वो जजमेंट्स भी आए.
वो फर्स्ट जजमेंट आता है, बिकॉज इंट्रोवर्ट्स आर वेरी उनका रेस्टिंग फेस ही थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता है. तो ऐसा लगता है ये बहुत गुस्से में बैठा है, बहुत एटीट्यूड में बैठा है, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. अंदर से हमें पता है. सी, इंट्रोवर्ट्स का ना एक बहुत सिंपल सा थॉट होता है. I am not interested in your life. I don't want to know what is happening in your life. I do not want to tell you what is happening in my life.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And I am not at all interested in small talks. So इसलिए ना इंट्रोवर्ट से वो कॉन्वर्सेशन होती नहीं है.
Yeah. I understand that. To wrap this up, Ankit, today I think if you have to advise any newcomer coming to this industry, क्या एक advice होगी that they should follow maybe to survive here?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैं अभी उस लेवल पे नहीं हूँ कि मैं एडवाइस दे सकूँ, पर फिर भी जस्ट बी स्मार्ट. जस्ट एज आई सेड, जो एडवांटेज लेने वाले लोग होते हैं वो हर जगह होते हैं, and not just in terms of that compromise, in terms of everything, in terms of money, in terms of everything, emotion, everything. Advantage लेने वाले लोग हर जगह होते हैं. You just be smart and be honest to your work, and that's it. Just if you're honest with your work now, I think everything fall in place.
Yeah. I think if I talk about your upcoming project also now, are you looking forward to reunite with Ravi-Sargun for a project that has been around?
आज ही उसकी एक न्यूज़ आई है that I backed out.
I know.
But again, as I said, यार, I don't think that I would be able to add something to that project right now, and maybe I need some time for myself to, to rejuvenate, to recharge myself. And as I said, maybe that's the reason I will not do Khatro also this year.
Yeah.
So I'm just taking time for myself.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ankit. This was really a good chat, and was looking forward for this. And thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, this is Ankit Gupta, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.